Samudra is located in a coastal suburb of Chennai. The atmosphere of the site is quiet, open, and green. The house sits in the middle of the plot of land with a garden on both sides. A part of the brief was to build a house with a sloped roof. The singular sloped roof and bricks draw on associations of a house from our memory. The roof extends over a veranda at the entrance, and that place is used to hang a swing. The bricks were combined with a framed structure to provide large openings in all the rooms. The living room and study have high ceilings and large glass doors where you can face the garden. The dining room is a deeply recessed space in contrast, and wooden paneling is introduced to create a sense of warmth. The wooden detailing is harmonious with the linear character of the bricks. On the other hand, the scale of the brass railing is kept larger to offset the fine scale of the bricks. Broken bricks were transformed to create a mud plaster used on other structures.